Boethius touch gloves. I leave it with you. Back in the corner.
What Gaddy's people have been most concerned about is just that will keep Ward in the fight long enough to bust up Gaddy.
Here comes the Lowell, Massachusetts contingent rising to the occasion for their and here's Gaddy with some of that. I'll give it to him in the body medicine.
Now the fight has turned out to be what we expected. So much for the boxing.
That's what they came here for.
What a body shot! Oh, magnificent left to the body. Was it low? Was it low?
I thought it was a little bit low.
And Frank Cappuccino thought so too. And he's going to rule no knockdown. And he's taking a point away from Gaddy. This bout is scheduled for 10.
Well, I'll tell you what, the fans are going to get.